Yeah, the man. Yeah, the man. What that? So now viewers and subscribers, tell me the truth. What the first thing come to mind when you watch the video, yeah, people? Just share your thoughts down into the comment section. You think I saw a man should I eat a ice cream or what? Just let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Yes, so anyway, people, what's up? Wagwan, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Thank you all for the love and support. Also, remember to give this video a like, drop a comment into the comment section, and subscribe to the channel, viewers and subscribers. So, in this video today, we have some new reports, new updates, and female dancehall artist Spice, L situation, etc. So, people, you just stay tuned. You know the drill already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them. So don't go nowhere, viewers and subscribers. I'll be back.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Now people, female dancehall artist Spice breaks silence on Instagram again and admit that Erna hospitalized her and denied an heart attack, coma, Roma, etc. But viewers and subscribers, fans are not really buying that and want the dancehall artist, the dancehall queen, to go live in her hospital gown to prove that, you know, it is really she that is really awake and making those posts, etc. People, you understand what I mean? But I'm here to inform you all, viewers and subscribers, that this is really true, people, and health situation right now. But I want to prove to you people that this is all true, and the female dancehall artist is not really fine right now, and everything is not really good at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers. And she have a hernia and has to also been admitted to hospital just for that, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And you know, it is just sad for no say the dancehall artists really go through them things for true at the end of the day. Enough people claimed that this is a publicity stunt, viewers and subscribers, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. It is really a serious condition that the female artist is in right now, and let's just say she's not in the best of health. She's improving, but it's kind of slowly, viewers and subscribers. But people, a couple days before all of this happened, right, Spice posted on her Instagram page, and she posted a clip, right, or per se a picture of her new song Emancipated, and under that post she captioned, "I'll be off Instagram for a while. I'm tired of being their only target for clout and clickbait. Let's see if they are gonna still talk about me. Only me. I refuse to answer the noise they creating to gain my attention. Every morning I wake up, there is something else. I fight so hard to be where I am now, get in a fight." So she also stated that Merry Christmas to everyone and a Happy New Year's when it comes. Besties, I love you all so much. Emancipated album, link in my bio. Continue to run it up, people. So at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, Spice posted that a couple days ago, right, before all of this incident, all of this coma, heart attack, etc. You understand what I mean, people? So at the end of the day, this is really serious, and maybe them look at something there, because you know it was like people appreciate, yo, this is planned because she come and said this before, so this is just a publicity stunt, etc. You know what I mean? Spice just gonna release a new album, a new song, etc. and all of these people, but you don't know, this is all true, viewers and subscribers. But the artist, she is improving right now, but it's slowly, it's a slow process, people. So I just want to inform you that and let you all know what is really taking place with the dancehall queen, people. So anyway, viewers and subscribers, Spice also posted on her Instagram page today, because you know that she posted 2 days ago, which was Sunday, people, and she put up a post, right, also in her story, right, and so today she's just letting everybody know that everything is okay. But under her post, she posted a picture and it stated in the caption that, "Thank you, Jesus, for saving my life. Hey, my besties, I'm in a better space today to properly update you on my current health situation. I suffered a damage hernia a few days ago that sent my body into sepsis. As a result, I was rushed to the hospital for immediate surgery. As you know, I've been off social media for a while to rest mentally. So little did I know that during my medical scare, it was already being said that I had an heart attack, I was in a coma, and I also died. But none of this is true. However, I'm still recovering from what really happened. So thanks so much for all the prayers and concern. Please take great care of yourself. Eat, live, love, laugh like it's your last day. I love you all so much. And you don't know, Gracie always a go be herself. So I guess this is no more jumping off speaker boxes for me." And she also put a smiling emoji right there, viewers and subscribers. To all the promoters that has confirmed bookings with me, please accept my humble apologies. Cayman, I know you were up next for the 25th of this month. However, I'll see you at a later date. Any further information needed, there's always a contact in my bio. The Queen loves you all. So Spice just posted that on her Instagram page, viewers and subscribers, just letting everybody know her current situation and that she's improving and everything. And she's also, viewers and subscribers, apologizing to all the promoters that she has a show book with, etc., and also Cayman Island, etc., and letting them also know that she will see them at a later date, etc. So all of this is true, viewers and subscribers. And if this is really a publicity stunt, well, I guess she tricked enough away people, because maybe we are all just saying this is a publicity stunt because we know how Spice stay, and you know, she's kind of that person where we do something like that, viewers and subscribers. But not everything is as it seems more time. You understand what I mean? And we have to also just wish a speedy recovery for the artist, right? We hope you also continue to support her in every way that you can. If it's even a little text on our Instagram page, you know, just showing support with something positive, not something negative, viewers and subscribers. Because you know, this is Dancehall Queen Spice, where the whole I will love, and you know, we adore with Dancehall Queen, regardless of what other people want to say. Not everybody is going to like you, and not everybody is going to love you. So we understand that, and we know that, viewers and subscribers. So we just hope the artist a speedy recovery. Hope she get over this very, very soon and can be her normal self again. Even though Spice said that she not can jump off a stage, off a speaker box again, etc. But we just want to know you're good. You understand what I mean? At the end of the day. And at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, this is sickness. No one is immune to it. No one is exempt from it, people. So it can happen to any way. So just show your love and support to the entertainer. And, you know, just wish her a speedy recovery. You know what I mean? Put her in your prayers whenever you're praying, etc., etc. And just, you know what I mean? Just show the love and support, guys, you know? Love and support carry far away. One thing we need in the world, viewers and subscribers, and it is love. Because from we have love, then everything will be genuine after, viewers and subscribers. So we just, as what I said, we just leave the artist with this and just let you know that we are all wishing her a speedy recovery and want to get well soon, etc. But anyways, people, tell me what you think down into the comment section, and tell me if you think that this is a publicity stunt, etc., or if you believe that it is real, because I can assure you that it is real, viewers and subscribers. So just let me know down into the comment section, right? And artist Dancehall Queen Spice, we're just wishing you a speedy recovery soon. Also, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification so that you can be the first to be notified whenever any new content is uploaded. So peace, I'm out.